So look at this. We had a bunch of rain Wednesday, Thursday. My trap's underwater. My buckets are floating. I had to wade in here to get here to the trap. I'm in Luke's truck. I had to wade through the water just to get here. I had 2 pigs come in last night and they were in here eating, so I wanted to come rebait it. But it's just way too wet. I don't know when I'll be able to catch any pigs here, when I'll be able to drop the trap. I could drop it on them if they come in here, but I don't know how I'll be able to get back here to them. I don't want to cut no ruts on the landowner's property. Try not to do that. I was able to drive to the road most of the way. It's up high, but had a lot of rain. Hopefully the sun and wind, it'll dry it out pretty fast. So quite a bit of water. Look, can you see my shoe? There we go. Ankle deep water here where I'm at, where my trap's at. So anyway, hopefully we'll get some pigs caught here in the next, it'll be a few days. Trap here. This is the last trap I built. We had it set in place on my dad's property, but there just weren't no pigs coming through there. So my son picked it up last weekend for me, put it on the trailer. We just ain't had time to get it set. I've had a bunch of rain. Really don't have a place. Well, I'm gonna take it and set it up at the same place we got a couple other traps, but haven't pre-baited or anything. We're just gonna take it out there. I really need to get it off this trailer so I can use this trailer. That's the main reason. But we're here getting gas. This is the part I don't like, because this is the part that costs money. People don't realize how much money we put into doing this, but it's all part of it. So still enjoy doing it, so no big deal. Anyway, we're gonna get fueled up. We're gonna take this trap out, get it set up. Like I said, it's still pretty wet, but I think I got a dry area I can set it up at. So anyway, stay with us. We'll go get it set up. Had 2 babies today. Mama had 2 babies. Baby pigs. Put them back in there with the mama. Go on. Go the other way. Well, we got him. So I was pulling up here to bait the hog trap this afternoon, and I see this red pig coming up out of this little creek, and so I just watch him. He never sees me. Well, he still sees me, but he doesn't pay me no mind. And he walks over there to the trap, starts eating. So anyway, I wasn't able to record the actual camera on the trap and record the pig at the same time, so I had to stop recording the pig and look at the camera for the trap. So anyway, we got him, so let's go take a look at him. Well, he's a pretty solid little red pig, not too shabby. He's probably 100 pounds, maybe a hair over. Big old red sucker. Anyway, like I said, we were just coming to bait the trap, and he walked up out of the creek, and we watched him come over here to the trap. Hey, he's a jumper. Well, of course, I don't have my trailer. I have to go get my trailer, so we'll get it and get him loaded up. He's gonna tear up to root everything up. Anyway, stay with us. All right, so I'm out here baiting this hog trap that I got down this right away. It's still wet. I had to walk down there. There's not as much water standing, but there still is water standing. So I don't want to drive and cut rut still, but just want to show y'all. That's what we do here in Texas. We grow these mosquitoes like champions. Big and a lot of them. The wind's probably blowing 25, 35 miles an hour. And look, they are horrible. Big, blood-sucking mosquitoes. Anyway, I just wanted to show you all that. That's what we got to deal with here in South Texas along the coast. Ah! Way too many mosquitoes. Ah! Got them. here, and there was one here, a different train. Came back, and now it's this one. I don't know what they do stopping here, but they do all the time. So anyway, I'll sit and listen to the baseball game and wait for the train to move. Load the pig up. Alright, finally made it out here to get this board. Caught yesterday afternoon. Wasn't able to come back later that afternoon. And he's gonna load up in there, hopefully. That was easy. He's ready to get out of it. Got him. But I want to show the kind of damage these pigs will do. He's got this ground tore up. He's trying to dig out of here. I mean, bad tore up. And I'm gonna have to move this trap, fill in some of this hole. But I'm gonna show the extent of the damage that they're capable of doing, how strong they are with their snout. And he was digging too a little bit, but it just goes to show what kind of damage they can do. But we got him loaded up. That was real easy. I'm glad. And we'll get him there to the house, and we'll bait some other traps. So last night I had some pigs at the other trap. I didn't see them. I didn't wake up, but there were also other pigs around this trap too. I got pictures of them after we caught him, so I know there's more pigs around. So anyway, we'll get him to the house, get this trap straightened up, rebaited and reset, and hopefully we'll catch some more tonight. Luke's coming in, so he'll be able to help me this weekend. We might move some traps around too. We got some people wanting to see if we can trap some pigs for them. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. We'll see if we can catch some more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.